Hi everyone. So today's video is so interesting video. I am thrilled to explain it. First of all, you have to keep in mind it is all about introduction. Introduction actually varies in different situations. So you have to keep in mind that you're prepared before going to an interview or before introducing yourself in front of anyone. First of all, in my mind, there are 4 to 5 types of introduction. First, that you need to keep in mind is that when you are in a class and you want to introduce yourself. Now, if you are as a student in front of the class, obviously you need to introduce yourself in a different way than if you are a teacher standing in front of the class. So the second way is as being a teacher, how to introduce yourself in front of the class. And the third way is that how to introduce yourself casually. So if you're standing on the road meeting with someone and introducing yourself, that can be casual introduction. Now, the fourth type, which is how to introduce yourself in a meeting. Now, how to introduce yourself in an interview. Introduction in an interview can be totally different than the casual or being a student or a teacher. Okay, so there are 5 types of introduction. First of all, as a student, how to introduce yourself, then how to introduce yourself as a teacher, then how to introduce yourself casually with anyone, then fourth, how to introduce yourself in a meeting within a company, and the fifth, how to introduce yourself in an interview. Okay, then again, in an interview we have 2 types. First of all, if you are called by an interviewer for the interview, that can be different than the walk-in interview. For example, if you're in a walk-in interview, obviously that can be different than the one for which you're called. So around about 7 types of introduction. Remember this, be prepared before going to anywhere where you want to introduce yourself, and I will be explaining it one by one, step by step, in each and every single video. So till then, stay tuned and you guys have a good day.